Hello everyone, welcome to Pep Coding. Today we are here to solve a question named coin change permutation 2. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you one thing, that there is a prerequisite of this question, coin change permutation 1. If you haven't done that question, so I recommend you please go to that question first, try to solve it. If you get stuck, the solution video is on channel. Go through that video, try to code it again, right? Now let's talk about this question. So this is just a second version of that question. So what is the difference between that question and this question? In this question, what we have this condition: the same coin can be used any number of times we want. Okay, so how this is going to be, let's go on the board and discuss it there. So we are having an array in which all the denominations are given, right? All the denominations are stored in an array. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9, right? And the total amount that we have to pay is 12, right? This is done. Now in that question, if 2 is used, we can't use 2 again. So for that, what we have done, we have used a boolean array, right? But here we don't need a boolean array, we just have all the possibilities. We can use one coin many number of times, right? So let's draw a binary tree for let's draw a recursive tree for that. Okay, so first of all, we are having 0, we paid 0 amount and we have to pay 12 rupees, right? So how many possible ways for the first installment? We have 5 possible ways. First we can use 2, then 3, then 5, then 7 and then 9. If we use 2, it will be 212. If we use 3, it will be 312. If you use 5, it will be 512. If you use 7, it will be 712. If you use 9, it will be 912, right? We are going fast in this question because we have already given a lot of time in the previous question. That's why I recommend you please go through that video if you haven't done that, right? So here, just guess how many ways it have again here. You know, we can use this coin as many number of times. So here we can again use 2, so it have again 5 ways. But in the previous question, if 2 is used, we can't use that, so we have only 4 ways here. But here we have again 5 ways. Here we have again 5 ways. Here we have again 5 ways. Here we have again 5 ways, right? Here again 5 ways. Okay, so here if we choose 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, so it will be 412, it will be 512, it will be 712, it will be 912, and it will be 1112, right? Okay, so this is done. Again, it have 5 options: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So until when it will keep continue, that will be our base case, right? So the base case for this question is also going to be the same with the previous question. That was what? Okay, just suppose this is the finish line, this is the target amount that we have to reach. Okay, so the first base case can be we cross this line, we reached somewhere here, so we can't come back, right? We can't reach this line. So what we have to do, we have to return from this point. And the second thing is we stopped at this point, exactly at this point. So what we have to do, we reach the line. Okay, we reach the target, so we have to print the answer and then we have to return. And the third condition is if we are here, so if we are here, we just have to move forward, right? We have to make a new call, so we will keep continuing making our calls, right? So now this is all about this question. Let's go and try to code the problem here. So we are here. First of all, we'll run a loop to iterate on the coins array for int I equals to 0 until I is less than coins dot length I plus plus, right? Okay, after this we have to make a recursion call, coin change coins comma amount so far. And what we have to do, we have to add the current coin that we have used, right? So we have added that, the total amount that is going to be same. After that, the answer so far. So what we have to do, we have to add the current coin in answer so far, right? So coins I, okay. After that, according to the output format, we have to add a dash as well, right? So dash as well. Okay, so we have made our recursion call as well. Now what we have to do, we have to just handle the base case. Okay, so if the amount so far, right, amount so far is greater than the total amount that we have to pay, so what we have to do, we have to return the answer is not possible on this way. And what is the second base case? Else if the amount so far is equals to the total amount. It means we reached the target line. Then what we have to do, we have to first print the output, the print that way which is used to reach that line, right? So system dot out dot print, inside this we have to print the answer so far. And one more thing, we have to add this dot as well. Okay, according to the format, what we have to do, we have to add this dot. So we will do that here, dot, and this is done. And after that, what we have to do, we have to return, right? Don't forget to return. Okay, this is done. So this is all about this question. Let's go and try to run this code. So this is printing the answer. Now let's submit it for all the test cases. Okay, so all the test cases passed, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.